this one. Alright. I forgot you were here for a little bit. Today feels a good day to unbox some packages. Oh, by the way, I don't think I have said hi to the vlog or even started this vlog. So this is just me saying hi. Beauty barn. I've gotten these 3 things. This is the Claire's Gentle Black Fresh Cleansing Oil. I think they have 2 variants, isn't it? I got this one. If you didn't know already, I love trying new cleansing oils. Very, very excited to try. This is the I'm from Rice Toner. I got the mini. Is the size miniature sunscreen. This is from Instri. I actually have tried this before and I really like it. This is from SMA Studios. I always love their packaging in this cute little pouches. I'm struggling, but I hope you can see it. Now you can see, I think. PR, I think it's from Be Blunt. Yeah. Yep, this is what they've said. Shampoo, I have the conditioner, I have a hair mask. Already running out of hair serum, so this is a good one. And I never buy them. So that was it for today's unboxing. Okay, I wanted to talk a little bit about my nails. As you know, I got them done. If there's an option, I always prefer getting it on my natural nails. I've uploaded a shots on the full process of this also. These are basically called BIAB nails.
I went for a little bit of a blue moment because it's summer, so I wanted to do something colorful. Otherwise, it's always white, nude nails, or dark wine nails.
Thank you. That's my little update. I'm back from my shower. I'm using the heat protecting mist first. I let it dry like 70-80% and then I'm gonna blow dry it. The instant hydration. Smells too good. Today is 9th of May and today is the day Taylor gets back to performing her shows. Tonight plans are set. I'm sitting there watching a live stream. Only way that will get me back on my workout. Getting cute gym. Just another casual day.
This part is called the anthology.
I scrolled on Instagram for 40 minutes straight and now I feel like I'm gonna work out a little bit now. No cute gym fits. I'm not gonna film it. The hardest thing I've had to do is to have a discipline for a routine. And this is me trying again for the 100th time in my life. And I'm gonna keep trying until I have one. You don't understand that I'm talking shit. silly things I buy from Amazon. Cutters, a pink one also. Basically a paper cutters, box cutters. This is interesting. This is what I've been waiting to show you. Look at that! It's a tiny mic. Think before I end the vlog, I have to say something. Most of my days look like this. Most days I'm at home, eating my food, working.